everyone! Welcome to Austin Faye's Storytime. I'm Jane. Today I'm gonna read this book. 1, 2, 3, to the zoo. 1, 2, 3, to the zoo. A counting book by Eric Carle. Choo-choo, a choo-choo train is coming. Choo-choo, first stop is number 1. There is one elephant. One elephant is getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 2. There are 2 hippos. 2 hippos are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 3. There are 3 giraffes. 3 giraffes are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 4. There are 4 lions. 4 lions are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 5. There are 5 bears. 5 bears are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 6. There are 6 alligators. 6 alligators are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 7. There are 7 seals. 7 seals are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 8. There are 8 monkeys. 8 monkeys are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 9. There are 9 snakes. 9 snakes are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Next stop is number 10. There are 10 birds. 10 birds are getting on the train. Choo-choo. Final stop is the zoo. There are 1 elephant, 2 hippos, 3 giraffes, 4 lions, 5 bears, 6 alligators, 7 seals, 8 monkeys, 9 snakes, and 10 birds in the zoo. The end. 3, good. 4, yes. 6, is it 6?